How to delete your comments on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your comment on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick. So let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, and here choose your post, for example from your profile, or this is for example one of those, and all you need to do is click on comments. And now all you need to do is keep clicking on the comments you want to delete on your post, and you're gonna find between those options the option number 3, which is delete. Click on it, and now they're gonna ask you, are you sure you want to delete this comment? Just click on delete and wait for a second, and like you see now I have no comment yet, and this is it. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.